Right, if you've had any products from Staar with a business school products, and you've probably been on some of the webinars, you might have had one or two of the free products and seen how really good they are, and you've not yet ventured into the licensed partner team, I'm going to give you a sneak preview of what you can get in there. And this is in on the site basically, and if you look down there, it goes in lots of detail about different trainings, affiliate trainings, sign up, and you also get some free hosting to get you started as well. And you've got the backup of Sarah's team who can answer any questions, and you get the full access to all the products. I'll click on that later, but I'll just go into one here just to give you an idea of, well, I'll go for the WordPress one here. It shows you the in-depth of the training that you get, and this is ideal even if you've got a WordPress site set up. Then there's lots of things that you may not be aware of, and this goes right from the basics here. We'll click on that and you can see just how much information there is there. This is just one of the volumes, and I don't know how many videos there's 10, 12 videos there. It goes into more depth there, so it gives you an idea of how in depth the training is on this site, as well as all the other support. And that's it. So that's basically a WordPress section there, shows you how to set up your site, how to make it take advantage of everything you can do with WordPress. So even if you've never used WordPress, then that is the place to go to. And the products, you get access to all of Sarah's products here, and she's got lots of products there, and you can actually sell those on as an affiliate and get 100% on all of those products that you promote, and any further products after that you'll get 50%. So I hope that gives you an idea. It's just a quick one, giving you a sneaky preview into the Sarah Staar Business School, the licensed partner team. Okay, so don't forget, if you want any of these products, and like I say, most of them are free, you get free access to a lot of these products, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and go below the video in the description, and there's a link there to our website, and you can get access to these at any time. Okay, hope that helps. Bye now.